Biro mo, may isang bayan, Mr. President, na nakatanggap ng 3.2 billion worth of projects, particularly flood control in Oriental Mindoro. Kinumpute ko po yan, Mr. President, at 3 million lang per classroom. That is 1,066 classrooms. Baka yung backlog ng buong Mindoro na fund na po sa DepEd kung inibigay po natin itong pondo para sa classroom building program at wala na pong backlog ang Mindoro, Oriental Mindoro. Kung dyan na lang po natin na ilagay kaysa sa mga flood control projects na nakikita naman po natin substandard, nagko-collapse at mukhang money-making racket lamang po, Mr. President. Mr. President, I laud our distinguished colleague, Senator Lacson, for this speech, but I'm hoping that he can give a part 2. Kasi po, kulang pa po yun. For example, kung saan pong home video ng aking nanay sa Bicol, marami din pong ghost project sa Bicol, maraming palpak na project sa Bicol, lalo na sa home province of my mother in Albay. I was there last year distributing rice to my kababayans in Libon, where my mom is from, and we also delivered to the provincial capital. At that time, yung tanong po ng mga reporters sa akin, anong maitutulong nyo sa mga problema naming baha dito sa Bicol? At alam ko na po, nung panahon pa na yun, na napakalaki na ang natatanggap nila pero wala pa rin nangyayari. So sana may part 2 po niyan at may labas din po natin yung mga kapalpakan nito mga contractors also in the Bicol region and other parts of the Philippines where we can see these discrepancies, Mr. President. So once again, maraming salamat kay Senator Lacson, but we're still hoping that the Blue Ribbon Committee can go down even further in naming the proponents of these projects. Kailangan natin malaman. Yung mahirap po kasi, hindi ko po alam sa House kung may lalabas ba nila yung proponents. Dito sa Senado, ilabas natin ang proponents ng mga projects na to. Pati doon sa House, sana mailabas din nila. And I laud Congressman Toby Chanco for trying to come out with that list of proponents in the House. I congratulate him as well and I wish him luck. Maraming salamat, Mr. President.
Thank you, Senator.